Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the Honourable Member, Honourable Vanuatu, for the question. I'm pleased to update Parliament that the Buca Village Hydro project is progressing under the ADB administered grant funded through the Japan Fund for Prosperous and Resilient Asia and the Pacific in partnership with the Government of Fiji. The project involves the expansion and upgrading of the Buca mini hydropower facility in Buca Village, the Kaunrobe. Once completed, the project will provide a reliable and consistent electricity supply to the approximately 90 households, benefiting around 540 residents in the village. This will significantly improve energy reliability, community livelihoods, and economic activity. The total project funding amounts to US $3.4 million, fully funded, financed through the ADB administered grant with the Government of Fiji, providing critical pre-project infrastructure support. In terms of the implementation progress, firstly, project management unit recruitment. This is one of the key requirements, including the project manager, environmental specialist, and social safeguard and gender specialists have been advertised, and interviews have been completed. Finalization of these appointments is expected by June 2026. And operations and maintenance capacity development specialists will be recruited closer to the commissioning stage of the project. Secondly, procurement and tendering. The bidding documents for the Buca Hydro power system and mini-grid were advertised in December 2025, and 3 bids were received through the Fiji government tender portal. These bids are currently undergoing preliminary evaluation by the ADB appointed consultants and have been scrutinized by the Department of Energy's technical evaluation team, subject to due process. Contract awards expected by August 2026. In terms of Government of Fiji pre-project contributions, the Divisional Engineer Northern has been allocated funding for the construction of the Buca access road from the main road to the powerhouse, as well as footpath, providing access to the dam site. Construction of the access road is currently progressing and is expected to be completed by May 2026, next month, with the footpath works scheduled for completion by June 2026. These enabling works are critical to ensuring a smooth project implementation once construction commences. In conclusion, the Buca Village Mini Hydropower project is progressing as planned, with procurement, staffing, and preparatory infrastructure works well advanced. The project represents a significant investment in rural energy, rural development, and energy access for Buca Village, and will be a good project for replication and also learnings for implementations or implementations and other learnings throughout Fiji. Thank you, sir.
I thank the Minister, the Honourable Tuisawau. Are there any supplements?